And I believe, dahil sa amount na yan, hindi lang 27 million.
Ayan na po yung nabilang ko po nung binuksan ko.
Pakisume out ulit yung pera. Para makita natin kung halos ilang bundles yan. Ilang patong yan? Okay. Tatlong patong ba yan? Dalawa?
Tatlo po.
Tatlong patong?
Opo.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Hindi yan 27 million. Kung ako tatanungin nyo dyan, more than 50 yan. Baka 60 million pa yan. Isa-isay natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Or times mo 2.
Basta yan naman po na-witness naman po nung ano yan. Binila ko po mismo sa harapan po nung media po yan. Na nag-base na lang po ako dun sa per bundle po niyan. Doon yun lang po ang pinaka-nagawa ko na lang po. And then saka ko pinakitang tape para mas madali na po namin ma-inventory.
NCRPO, meron din ba kayong na-recover na withdrawal slip sa Okada Hotel ng subject matter of the search? None, Your Honor. Meron ako. May nag-provide sa akin yung withdrawal nung ano yun. And it would amount to 64 plus million.
Are you saying, Congressman Ako, that the withdrawal from the Soler Hotel,
No, Okada.
Okada,
Oh.
64 million
No.
was withdrawn?
Yes, withdrawn.
Huh?
Oh.
Can you have the bravery to give it to the chairman?
Mag-revert ako yung aking bubuit eh. Ipapakita ko sa iyo yung mga resibo ko. They're all in Chinese characters. Yung amount lang hindi. Kaya hindi ako mabobola ng mga ito eh dahil
Yeah.
alam ko yung nangyayari sa loob eh.
Okay, go ahead. Sige, go ahead.
Andito yung receipt. At saka yung yung BAMA nag-withdraw nung July, August, September. Two times in September. September 11 and 15. July 16 and August 19. If my story is right, dito sa kuwan nakita ng driver na nag-withdraw ng pera eh. Driver bodyguard. So alam niya na maraming pera yung kanyang boss. At yun ang itinip sa inyo. Gumawa kayo ng paraan na paano nyo marirade yung lugar. Illegal possession of firearm lang ang pwede. Huwag nyo nang sabihin sa akin yan dahil galing ako sa CIS. Alam ko na yung mga istoryang ganyan.
By looking at Congressman Ako, by looking at the picture that you have given us, no? Pag titingnan mo in your plain view site, no, makikita mo naman talaga na hindi 27 million yun. And at the same time, I was asking you a while ago, no, that from the moment that you have not reported it in your spot report, and then you have put the amount inside the car of the head of the team, Colonel Guevara, together doon sa nagbabantay doon sa CR, sino ba yan? Ikaw ang nasa loob ng CR, di ba? Ikaw nagbantay ng pera.
Opo.
At kayo ang nagdala. Sabi nyo, hindi nyo dinala sa Espacio Hotel, kundi dinala nyo sa SPD.
Opo.
Even granting na hindi nyo dinala sa hotel. Even granting, no? From the time na dinala nyo yung pera mula doon sa 1811, papunta doon sa SPD, that is questionable. Highly questionable. So ngayon, kitang-kita na natin, diyan pa lamang, nakikita nyo na yung bulk ng pera is not 27 million. So, from the moment na dinala nyo yung pera, kung Espacio Hotel man yan, or doon man sa SPD, doon na nabawasan yung perang yan. At kung titingnan mo yung titingnan ko, that is more than 60 million or 50 million. 64. Kung nag-withdraw ng 64 million yung Chinese na yun, no? We are saying that yung mga Chinese is not guilty of any crimes, no? Maaari na meron silang trafficking na ginagawa. But the fact na ginawa nyo, mali ang procedure, and that you have violated, mismo kayo mga police, you have violated the procedure natin, yung POP. Kayo na mas nakasama sa image ng ating mga kapulisan. And that's the reason why the GPNP mismo ay nandito and is supporting this hearing because he knows that he's trying his best para mapaganda ang image ng PNP. And now you are here, di ba? Tainting the image of the PNP. The 27 million, nakita mo?
Sa opisina na, Mr. Chair, nung in-inventaryo po.
Sa opisina mo na nakita yung 27 million? Nasa loob ka ng operasyon? Hindi mo nakita sa sigahan?
Nakita ko po sa CR, Your Honor, nakalagay sa karta.
Sisinungan eh. Mismo salita mo. O nakita mo ngayon, kanina hindi mo nakita, sabi mo nakita mo na sa SPD. Ngayon nakita mo na sa, alam mo, hanggang nagsisinungaling ka dyan, lalabas ang totoo, huwag kayong magsinungaling. Lumalabas ang totoo eh. Hindi nyo kami mapapaikot dito.
Mr. Chair,
Sige, Congressman ako.
kung bubuhayin natin yung istorya, search warrant for firearms yun. Nakakita sila ng maraming pera, hindi nila ma-justify kung paano sila kukumpiskitin yun. So naghanap sila ng paraan. Ang ginamit nila is yung anti-trafficking. Kaso, walang mga babae na natatraffic. Naghanap sila ng babae, kaya nga nagtatok sila eh. Lahat ng negosyoso na Chinese, pinasok. And then you find a case against them for violation of Republic Act 9208 as amended para ma-justify ninyo yung pag-seize ninyo ng pera na hindi kasama sa search warrant. Hindi naman nyo dapat dalhin mga yun eh. Kung yung search warrant for the firearms lang ang gagawin ninyo eh. Yun naman ang istorya. Now, General Mariano, you were defending a while ago na may violation ng Republic Act 9208. May I know what crime that is?
Sir, it is Mr. Chairman, it's based on the report that I did not tell.
You answer my question. What crime is that?
Human trafficking.
Human trafficking. And what are its elements? You should know that before you sign your complaint.
Mr. Chairman, I signed the complaint.
Ha?
Hindi po akong pumirma ng complaint.
Sino? Ikaw nag-report eh. So naniniwala ka. Kaya kung nga tinanong kung naniniwala itong mga tao mo, yung na-report mo.
Mr. Chairman, it is based on all my that I said earlier during my comprehensive report. It's based on the reports given by the
Yes, pero
operating team.
as the commander, naniwala ka.
Based also the investigation conducted.
Kung yan, kay Chief PNP, kung hindi ka naniniwala dyan sa report ng mga tao mo,
Yes, Mr.
yes,
Chairman.
yun lang ang gusto kong makuha ang sagot sa'yo.
Opo.
Please identify yourself.
Police Major Jason Domingo Quijana, Your Honor.
Police Major
Jason Domingo Quijana, Your Honor.
Hannah. And who were your companions when you filed the request for the issuance of a search warrant?
Kasama ko po, Your Honor, yung deponents, Your Honor.
Wala kang kasama na polis?
Meron, Your Honor.
Sino nga yun?
Si yung aming investigador, si SSG Ruiz.
Who is SSG Ruiz? So ikaw ang investigator na kasama. Siya lang kasama mo na polis?
Meron pa, Your Honor, si
Kasama mo, hindi mo alam eh. Hinahanap mo pa eh.
bago lang kasi ako, Your Honor, doon. Hindi ko pa sila masyadong kilala. So,
Hindi mo alam ang pangalan? Nakalagay sa search warrant yun ah.
si Sergeant Ruiz lang ang natanda ko, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll set that aside. At saka, may kasama kang deponent. That was your answer a while ago. Tama?
Opo, Your Honor.
Ilan yung deponents mo?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Dalawa. And may I know what are their names? And their personal circumstances?
Your Honor, si Michael Novicio and Daniel Makadat.
What are their personal circumstances? Okay, kasi doon pa lang sa actuation mo, mayayari na kita eh. Isipin mo, ikaw ang officer na mag-apply ng search warrant, hindi mo alam lahat ng detalye.
Your Honor, 5 months na kasi
Sino
nakalipas.
ang deponent mo? Kasi yun ang nagsasabi na may firearms doon sa 1, sa 1811.
Si Michael Novicio, Your Honor, at saka si
At trabaho nung sinabi mo una,
bodyguard, Your Honor.
yung isa,
Driver bodyguard, Your Honor.
yes, driver Palestino.
Subject for search warrant, Your Honor, si Ben Shinji.
yung isa, yung bodyguard din yung subject of the search warrant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang sinabi niya, hindi may firearms yung Chinese, may pera na marami. Di ba?
No, Your Honor.
According to the investigation of General Narcotics, planted na yung firearms eh. The mere fact. O sige. Mr. Chair, may I request that the two deponents be invited in the next hearing?
Okay, so with
Because,
the
Mr. Chair, if I find out that this guy is lying, I will file a motion to cite him in contempt.
okay, so the COMSEC is hereby directed to invite Michael Nabosya and Rainiel, ano? Rainiel what? Rainiel
Rainiel Makadat, Mr. Chair.
Rainiel what? Rainiel
Makadat, Your Honor. Mr. Chair.
Bantan.
Now,
Sige, go ahead.
doon sa statement ng deponent sa judge, huwag kang palingon-lingon iho, nagdududa tuloy ako sa iyo eh. Alam mo, pag ikaw ang iniimbestigahan ko, at ako ang chief investigator, eh, nagdududa na kagad ako sa ikot ka ng ikot yung ulo mo eh. Diba?
Your Honor.
Ano ang sinabi nila doon sa judge nung pinagtatanong sila ng judge because it is required by law that the judge will ask questions from the deponent. Ano?
Your Honor, sila po yung tinanong ni Judge, hindi ko po alam yung mga sagot nila kay Judge.
Hindi mo, ibig sabihin wala ka doon nung tinanong ni judge. Ikaw nga nag-a-apply for search warrant. Investigator ako kaya alam ko, nag-apply din ako ng search warrant. Huwag mo akong bulahin.
Magkakaiwalay kami, Your Honor.
Ano magkakahiwalay? Paano yung pagkahiwalay?
Nasa ibang upuan po, Your Honor. Nasa ibang upuan po sila nung in-interview ni Judge.
Hindi mo naririnig? Ang liit ng sala ng judge?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi. Sige. Sino ang nagsabi na may baril? Yung inyong subject?
Si Michael, Your Honor.
Now, according to your operational procedures, pag may nagbigay ng information, you have to vet the information, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. You can ask the chief of the CIDG. Ganun talaga ang procedure. Na pag may nagbigay ng information, hindi mo dapat paniwalaan kaagad, di ba? At kayo, magkoconduct ng vetting process. Mag-imbestiga kayo. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
May kung sino yung mga inutusan mo na mag-verify kung tama yung information na ibinibigay ng dalawa.
Your Honor, yung Team 1 po, Your Honor.
Sino nga yun? Sino ng team 1 volunteer na nag-verify ng information na yun? Meron ba sa inyo? Hindi niya may turo eh.
Excuse me po, Your Honor.
Please identify yourself.
I am Police Captain Jesus Menes. Bali po ang posisyon ko ng DSOU. Dalawang team po, Team 1 tsaka Team 2. So, bali ako po ang team leader ng Team 1. Ang trabaho po niyan ay sa Team 2 po.
Anong trabaho?
Yung trabaho po na search warrant po ay sa Team 2.
May?
Team 2 po.
Sa iyo?
Hindi po, Team 1 po kami.
Ano?
Team 1 po kami.
Anong trabaho ng team 1?
Bali kami sa yung doon, perimeter.
Hindi nga. Nandun pa lang tayo sa application ng search warrant EU eh. Mayor Quijano, sino yung inutusan nyo na mag-vet ng information na ibinigay ng dalawang deponent? Kasi yung proseso eh.
Yes, Your Honor. Nagkamali pa ako kanina. Actually, ang inutusan ko is Team 2. Kasi Team 2 po yung hawak ko. Hindi po Team 1.
Sino yung membro ng team 2?
Ang mga miyembro po ng Team 2 nun,
So, is the team leader of team 2? Volunteer ka na para hindi mahirapan si Mayor Quijano.
Team 2, sino? Ayan, sino ang Team 2? Parang hirap sumagot ng ating mga kasama mga sa operation. Alam niyo naman yung mga role, di ba?
Sino? Mayor Quijano. Kung sino yung team 2 na inutos, ikaw nagputos eh.
sila PSSG Ruiz, sila Delahion, sir.
Where are they? Please raise your right hand.
Ruiz.
Ruiz. Lion.
Ayun.
Sino ang opisyal ninyo?
Sir, I'm not part of the member of Police Major Kiana, sir. Member po ako ni Police Captain Menes po, sir, Your Honor.
Nagsisimula pa lang ako eh. Wala pa tayo dun sa masarap na party eh. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Sa si Ruiz, hindi ka ang team leader?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Sino team leader? Kiana?
Yung hawak ko po, Mr. Chair, team 2. Ako po yung tumatayong team leader nila.
O si ikaw, hindi si Ruiz.
Sila po yung mga kasama ko. Mr. Chair.
Sergeant Luis, where are you? Do you agree na kasama ka doon?
Sir, please, Ruiz. Di ba si Ruiz,
Your Honor, magandang hapon po. Yes, nung time po kasi, yes po, in-observe po kami ni Police Major Tiano.
Yes, hindi po, Your Honor.
Medyo Quijano. Para event. Ano yung formato? Ano yung formato sa bigay?
May, Your Honor, pwede kang mag-explain.
Umpisa natin ha. Siyempre, pag nag-apply ka ng search warrant, may witness ka, di ba?
Yes po, Your
O,
Honor.
according to your boss, may dalawang deponent, yung driver at saka bodyguard, ng subject ng search warrant.
Yes po.
Check.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes. Pero pag nagbigay ng information, kailangan i-verify ninyo. At sinabi ni Major Quijano na Team 2 ang pinag-verify ng information na yon. Kasama ka sa Team 2. Tama?
Your Honor, wala po yung pinag-drop ng search warrant. So, hindi po ako napunta sa area.
So, hindi nyo verify kung tama yung informasyon na binigay.
That time po kasi, Your Honor, tinawagan lang po ako pupunta sa office.
So, Major Quijano. Kaya na. Wala naman palang, wala ka palang inutos eh. Na event yung informasyon na binigay ng dalawa.
Your Honor, may mga inutusan po ako sa Team 2 actually. Meron nga kami
Sino nga? Kanina ko ba tinatanong? Sino?
Hindi ko na matandaan, Your Honor, yung mga nila, last name nila. Kung sino yung inutusan ko ng picture doon sa building.
Yung first name.
First name, Major Kiana.
Sabi mo, hindi mo alam yung last name. Yung first name, sige. Huwag mo akong paikutin, Kiko.
Andito lahat ng mga members ng operation.
Oo.
So, pwede ba tumayo lahat ng mga members ng operations? Kayong lahat. Para makita ni Major Kiana sino yung inutusan niya.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang Team 2 na lang po yung patayuin natin?
Team 2, tayo ang
Team 2 tumayo.
Team 2.
Yung Team 2. Team 2. So, lahat kayo may bro ng Team 2, ha?
Your Honor, dito sa Team 2 na mga nakatayo,
Alam mo, Major Kihana, no? Hindi napakahirap. Konti lang naman yung operation ng Team 2 mo. Ilan lamang yan. Yung may turo sa inyo kung sino yung nag-bet. Imposible naman yan. Napakasimple ng tanong sa'yo si Congressman Ako. Binaba na nga natin from the 35 members na nandyan, o 44, binaba na natin sa Team 2, ilan na lang yung nakatayo. Hindi ko makita dyan kung sino. Yung inutusan ko para mag-betting doon sa 1811.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko talaga matandaan kung sino yung inutusan ko sa kanila.
Baka ikaw mismo nag-bet. Nakasama ni Michael Lebosya. Ganon ba yun?
No, Your Honor.
Congressman Ako.
Lahat kayo na member ng Team 2, may utos ba sa inyo si Major Quijano na i-vet ninyo yung informasyon o hindi nyo man lang alam yung informasyon? Anong sagot? Walang utos sa inyo? Walang nautusan sa inyo na i-verify yung information na binibigay ng deponents? Wala?
Mr. Chair, ang matatandaan ko po na nagbibigay sa akin ng mga information regarding po sa mga deponents, si PSSG Ruiz, saka si Binayon, yung investigador, Your Honor. Sila talaga yung nagbibigay sa akin ng mga information regarding dito sa operation na to, Mr. Chair.
Malayo yung tanong ko is very specific. Nakasama sa police operational procedure na pag may natanggap ka na informasyon, ang dapat na susunod na gawin mo is ipa-verify mo kung probably true yung informasyon. Ngayon, tinanong ko, ginawa mo ba yan? Sabi mo, oo. Sino ngayon, ang tanong ko, sino ngayon ang inutusan mo na mag-verify ng information na yon? Sabi mo, Team 2. Lahat ng Team 2 nakatayo na. Wala naman nagsasabi na may utos ka eh. Iho, yun ang sitwasyon mo ngayon.
Your Honor, yun yung ano nila, yun po yung naging version nila, pero si SSG Ruiz at saka si Master Delayon po yung mga nagbibigay sa akin ng mga information.
O sige, si Sergeant Ruiz at saka De Leon, do you agree with the statement of your former boss?
No, Your Honor.
Ruiz? No. Ruiz? No. Nakatinapay. Patay kang bata ka. O, ngayon, nakikita na natin na tama yung investigation report ng NCRPO. Guevara,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
you're the boss of the
Please
DSOU.
pick up the mic of Major Diana.
Yes,
Major, ano ba na?
Tama ba yun, iyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And alam mo dapat lahat ng nangyayari.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. After the operation, did you leave the country?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Where did you go?
I went to Thailand, Mr. Chair.
You went to Thailand for how many days?
For only 2 days, Mr. Chair.
Did you get permission
No, Mr. Chair.
from the Chief PNP? Hindi na sa Napolcom ko ngayon na nagbibigay ng ng authority to travel abroad. Is that still the policy? It's Napolcom or it's now the Chief PNP? Napolcom? So you did not ask permission or to travel abroad?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Maaari ko bang malaman bakit ka nagbakasyon? Dahil naipit ka o napressure ka o ano?
I was being pressured, Your Honor. It was just my decision to because I was then I cannot do something which is I declined to sign a document in which that's the only way that I can avoid to sign a certain document, Mr. Chair. Regarding my statement regarding with the investigation, Mr. Chair. The lawyer advised me not to sign the document, Mr. Chair.
Were you ever investigated informally by NCRPO?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You did that informal investigation.
No less than the RDB itself, Mr. Chair.
What did you reveal during that informal investigation?
The operation itself, Mr. Chair, the water transfer, Mr. Chair.
The operation was?
It's all about the operation which was conducted by us, Mr. Chair.
It's all about the operation.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So bakit ayaw mong pirmahan yung dokumento? Kung it's all about the operation, bakit? May mali ba dun sa pinapipirma sa'yo?
I just follow the advice of my lawyer, Mr. Chair.
Yes, kasi yung pinapipirma sa'yo, it might incriminate you. That's why your lawyer advised you not to sign it.
Yes.
Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, who were present during that informal investigation?
It was based on if I can recall, Mr. Chair, it was the good RD, Mr. Chair, together with this DRDO, Brigadier General Gurat, together with them is the legal, Police Lieutenant Colonel Arino.
The officers present here, General Tates, yung minention niya na nandun nung nag-conduct ng informal investigation. Are they here?
Lieutenant Colonel Arino is here. Brigadier General Gurat, the DRDO, is not here, Your Honor.
So, there were only 3 of you who were present during that informal investigation.
There are still other witnesses during that informal.
Nawala dito.
Some are here, Your Honor.
General Tates, what were the questions that you asked Major Quijana?
First, before asking, I reminded him that he should speak of the truth. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, a police officer should be trustworthy. And we are trying to find out what happened really in that operation. And he said yes. And so with that, I asked only one question. Kindly narrate what happened. And so it is covered by actually video when I was asking.
Now, kindly tell the body, para malaman na rin ng mga hindi nakakaalam na mga tauhan ninyo, ano ang na-reveal doon sa informal investigation na yun? Kasi, it is the statement of the leader of the group that implemented all these things.
The very gist of that conversation or question and answer or statement is that he told me that the district director, or there were two, when the search and seizure operation and was over, and they reported back to the district headquarters. He reported immediately to the district director, and there they had a conversation, and they told the district director. He told the district director that there is a 27 million being kept by him or by his group, and he cannot state it in his statement, supposed statement, because he doesn't want to be the different person among his group.
In your chronology of events in your report, nakalagay dito kagad, and you were very emphatic about it, that they planted 2 firearms and 2 magazines. What was the basis of your report here?
The basis of that findings is, of course, the statement of our personnel, member of the operating unit. If there are 45 or 44 personnel that are involved in the actual operation, when they were subjected to investigation, 23 of them says otherwise.
What did they say?
That they recovered firearms during the search and seizure operation, but these firearms were recovered, but it was planted.
May I be clarified lang, no? Out of the, during the informal investigation that you have conducted, all the, out of the 44, ilan yung pinatawag niyo sa informal investigation?
All of them, Your Honor.
The 44?
Yes, Your Honor.
Including the director of the SBD?
Yes, Your Honor.
And out of that 44, 23 ang nagsabi na may planted.
Correction, Your Honor, 23. What I mean with 23 is 23, I have, may mga revelation sila.
Okay, so in other words, hindi lamang dun sa planting of evidence, kumbaga sa maraming issue, sa totality noong operation. Sige, go ahead.
Sino bang intelligence officer ng NCRPO?
The intelligence officer of NCRPO is Colonel Mendez, Your Honor, and he is individual.
He was present, right?
He was present. He is on my...
If being the intelligence officer, you would have transcribed nung mga statement na yan, di ba? Yes, that's your job. Dapat lahat ng revelations doon sa video, nung tinatanong nyo siya, nakatranscribe dapat na yan. Because I will ask the chair to direct you to submit to us a transcription of the conversations that happened during that time.
Kasi we're focusing more on the question na bakit hindi agad dineclare ang 27 million. Yes, sir. According to him, sir, when doing the spot report, there were 2 versions ng spot report. The one, ang nakalagay is 4.6 million. And ang tanong, kung yung 27 million ay isasama sa spot report.
Anybody from the operating group? Where was the 4.6 million taken from the vaults? Doon sa 1811? Where you found the firearms or what?
Mr. Chair, it was in the table, Mr. Chair.
Saan kwarto?
And the room, which is, we're in the firearms located, Mr. Chair.
Ano nga kwarto? Nag-operate ka, hindi mo alam. Samantala ko, basa lang, alam.
It was in the...
Anong kwarto? Doon sa Solimare.
It is room number 1108, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
1811, Mr. Chair.
1811. That's where you got the 4.6 million.
One of the room of that unit, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
One of the room of that unit, Mr. Chair. Because
One of the rooms. But how many rooms were there?
there are 2 rooms in that unit, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And how many vaults were there?
If during my recall, Mr. Chair, there were 3, Mr. Chair.
Gaano kalalaki yung vault na yun?
The one that where the firearm discovered is just around 2 feet, Mr. Chair, and the other one is the medium size, which is commonly seen in the hotel, Mr. Chair. It's the smallest kind of vault, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yung dalawa, ganon, kalaki.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, yung 2 feet, pwede ba ilagay doon yung M60? Kasi doon sa report ninyo, nakuha ninyo yung baril sa one of the boats. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Now, where did you get the 27 million? Ikaw nakadiscover ng 27 million.
Opo, Your Honor.
27 million. Saan kwarto mo na-discover?
Doon din sa room kung saan yung, yung mga bot na nakalukit. So may CR po nung kwarto na yun, Your Honor.
So you're trying to tell me na yung unang nag-search na lugar, hindi nila ginawa yung trabaho nila dahil hindi nakita yon?
Hindi ko po masasabing gano'n, Your Honor.
Hindi nga, yun ang ibig mong sabihin eh. May nauna na nag-search doon, nakita yung 4.6 million, nakuha yung dalawang baril, pero may naiwan na 27 million. Na ikaw ang nakakita at nagbilang. Tama?
May sinabi po nung papalisa po kasi kami, Your Honor, sinabi po sa akin ni Linsing G na meron pera doon sa may CR. Wherein yung CR po na yun, Your Honor.
So, sino ang sinabi yan? Ikaw?
Opo.
Wala man, did the searching officers not know of this? Walang nakakalam sa mga opisyalis na meron 27 million na nakatago pa?
Nung pagsabi po sa akin nung Chinese, Your Honor, sinabi ko po agad kay Lieutenant Colonel Guevara. And then, in-advise niya po na punta ko, i-check ko. Then, secure na po. Para paalis na. Dali ko na rin po sa disappointment po.
Sige, so 27 million.
Opo.
Yun ang in-report mo.
Opo.
Tama? And then, ano yung pera na ibinaba nyo at dinala sa hotel?
Paano, Your Honor, yung pera po,
Anong pera yun? Yung 4.6 or yung 27?
wala po aming pera dinala po sa hotel, Your Honor.
Ha? Eh doon sa investigation report ng NCRPO, meron eh. Alagay nga dito eh. Ano ng hotel yun?
Espasyo.
Espasyo?
Tagig to, Espasyo, NCRPO niya. Espasyo, Easy Tagig, ano? Actually, Mr. Vice Chairman, we can summon the, Espasyo Hotel to find out yung time and place, time and, date kung kailan yan pumasok to. Sige, Ben.
Annalyn, hindi mo na ipakita yun? Sinong kasama mo? Nung in-inventory mo yung pera?
Nung time na yung inventory po, ako po, si Sir Gihana, si Staff Sergeant Lester, tapos si Ruiz, tapos yung media po. Ang kasama ko po nung time na yon, dun sa office po ng inventory is si ako, si Major Gihana, si Ruiz.
Di ba?
Ikaw yan.
Ako po yan. Ako yung tumutulong po sa akin. Ano po? Hindi ko po masyado marinig kanina. Ako po yun.
Yes. Yung isa naman, hindi naman kompleto yung uniforme yan kahit I'm seeing it right.
Actually, parang
Si Derder.
naka-short siya, naka-short.
Oh. Tama?
Opo.
A while ago, sinagot mo kanina, 1,000 peso bills. Yung yung pera, di ba?
Hindi, sabi ko po kanina, yun, hindi ko po ma-recall yung mga ano po. Basta ang naalala ko po is mga nakabundle po siya. Na estimated na 500.
Nandiyan ka. Litrato mo yun ano, mukha mo nga eh.
Opo.
Tapos
Ano po
eh,
yan?
hindi mo alam.
Hindi alam po na ano, Your Honor.
Kitang-kita mo, ikaw nag-inventory, hindi mo alam.
Alam ko po, Your Honor. Ano?
Anong denomination yung nakita mo?
May 1,000 na nga po, tsaka may mga 500 din po.
Asan ang 500 yan sa kulay na yan? Sige, pakita mo sa akin.
Hindi, yung ano po pala yung, ang tawag doon? Yung pong nag-base po doon sa packaging tape po yung ano.
Kulay blue yung nasa packing tape also. At kaya kikita namin dito, mas malapit. Lahat dyan, kulay almost blue lahat. Walang ano dyan, walang kulay 500 dyan.
Wala nga po.
Yun, wala.
Wala po.
Nakakadismaya lang isipin na we have to go to this kind of hearing. But we have no choice. We have to make things right. At dito lamang sa nakita natin na ilalayo ko ng konti. Congressman ako, kasi I wanted to be clear on this issue as well. Yung violation that you were saying about the 4 Chinese nationals, which is the essence of your resolution. 1471 ba yan? 1471, your resolution about the 4 Chinese nationals that was arbitrarily detained for 4 days, no? Kita-kita doon sa CCTV, I was able to see it eh. Na kinakatok nila yung ano. Bakit kayo nangangatok doon sa mga ibang units doon? Sino yung mga nangangatok doon? Na hindi naman kasama sa 1811 na search warrant? Sino? Bakit kayo nangangatok doon? Na hindi naman kasama sa search warrant?
Your Honor, instruction po ni PCMS,
Sino? PCMS? Garcia?
Garcia po,
Asa si Garcia?
na
Garcia, sino gusto sa'yo? Nakatok ko niya mga yan?
Sir, I was commanded by Major Quijana to relay to our female operatives dahil supposedly meron daw violation ng 9208 para daw may rescue pang mga babae sa loob. Inutusan niya po ako na sabihin sa babae namin operative, nakatukin daw yung mga pinto.
And that's the reason why, itong mga anak kuha nyo, kasi primarily, ilan ang tao nandun na nakita nyo sa loob? Ilang babae nandun? Out of the 7, ilan na nandun? Actual.
Yung mga
Una naman eh, nakita nyo nandun ilan?
mga apat, Your Honor.
Apat.
Yes, sir.
And that's the reason why, nakatok pa kayo ngayon doon. Kasi baka nag-add pa kayo ng additional evidences. Ganun ba yun?
Yeah.
Bakit mo in-order na nakatukin yung mga ibang units doon? That in relation sa search warrant ninyo, na 1811 lamang.
Mr. Chair, wala po akong in-order kay MFC Garcia. Nakatukin po yung mga...
Major Quijana, namumuro ka na. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-contempt ng pulis dito. Baka sa unang pagkakataon, gagawin namin na isang pulis, simukulo namin dito sa kongreso ito. Maniwala ka sa akin. Kanina ka pa eh, namumuro ka na. Ang dami mo na sinungaling na ginagawa dito. Please refrain. We're trying to ferret out the truth. No? And by doing so, ikaw ang nag-obstruct. We're trying to do our job here. Okay? So sabihin mo sa amin, nag-utos ka, nakatukin yung mga yun, nakita sa CCTV, nakita doon, nangangatok yung mga tao mo, at ikaw ang namumuno doon, kasama mo si Guevara.
Mr. Chair, sinasabi ko na po yung totoo. Wala po akong inutos kay Garcia. Nakatukin po yung mga babae doon. Kasi hindi naman po yun yung namin ng search warrant.
Nakita yung pera, di ba?